What a lovely day on my new yacht. Hi, Birdie. Birdie! Wait a second. Excuse me, ma'am, this is my yacht, and I didn't invite you on it. Who is that? Who is that? Is that your twin? Your twin sucks. Go. You know what? Since you're on my yacht, you get off my yacht. You get off my yacht. Have fun playing with the sharks. Get him, John! Ah! Oh shit, fuck me. Ah! I don't even turn the cracks. I almost died. Get up! Get your fast up! Okay. Sorry for the technical difficulties. She also threw me in the water. Okay, back to what I was doing. And who is that? Who are these guys? Who are you guys? Who are you? Wait, this is my yacht, bro. Excuse me? Did I say you can touch my sink? Eat this. Get up, bro. Let's fight this. Let's fight, bro. Oh, you wanna fight? Wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight me? You wanna fight me? You wanna fight me? You want to fight me? Shut up. Shut up, woman. Yeah! Get her! Yes! And who are you? What? Is it? What? Don't tell me. Oh my god! Get out of my bed!
Stanley just fell asleep.
You sure about that? 'Cause he ain't asleep with me. He's looking directly at me. Guys, get out of my bed. Get out of my bed. Stanley, get out of my bed. Get out. Ma'am? Ma'am, you're kind of stuck. Wait, someone just died? Oh, that's good though, 'cause it's my yacht. I got you, ma'am. No. No, fuck. My hand's stuck. Who gets their hand stuck in a pool? So, this one, right? Got you, ma'am. I got you. Ma'am, this is my yacht. Get out of here. Here's your bed. Here's my bed. Have a good night's sleep. Get her, Jaws. Jaws. Hey, yo. Jaws. Jaws. Alright, you know what? Get this bed out of here. Alright, we'll let Joss take care of her. Who are these people? No! Guys, this is my yacht!
Don't just stand there. Come dance with us.
No! How about you go dance with the sharks? How about that? How about you go play with them dumb sharks? How about that? Kobe! Get off of my yacht! This is my yacht! This is really my yacht! It's my yacht! Get off! There's another meal for you, Jaws! There's another meal. Yeah, go ahead, kill him. Yes, that's what I like to see. Now I want to know who you guys are. Let's get off my yacht. Get off. Get. Why'd you place pumpkins here? It's not Halloween anymore. It's November. It's November. It's literally November. It is literally November. Now who are you? Who do you work for? Who do you work for? Did I hit him? Come here. Come here. Come here. What's wrong with your spine at? Get out of here. Get. Okay, you know what? Since you won't get off my yacht, I'm bringing the yacht down. I am bringing the yacht down if you won't get off my yacht. I will shoot you right in the face. Do it. I dare you. I got a freaking bashing tool. Get out of here. Okay, you know what? You want to fight like real men? We can fight like real men. You want to fight like a man? Get out of here. Get out of here, bro. This is my yacht. Oh, cappuccino. It's cappuccino assassino. Ballerina cappuccino. Come here, since you want to be on my yacht, you can be with the sharks. How about that? Get out of here. Who in the nation are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who do you work for? 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 I need to expose the body. Here you go, Jaws. Eat him. Okay. Now, I'm bringing my RPG with me. You know what? Since you won't come off my yacht and go play with the sharks, I'm leaving this yacht. This yacht is now gonna be sunken in. This yacht will now be sunken. It will be sunken. Since you guys won't get off my yacht. And who are you? Who do you work for? Who in the tarnation do you work for?
Thank God, someone finally found me.
Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Nobody cares. Now, what? You know what? Since you guys won't get off the yacht, the yacht's going down. I got an explosive barrel. I got explosive barrels, and I'm gonna place them all around the yacht. All around them. And now I'm gonna place them right here. I'm gonna get up on a high space. Owner. God, please don't kill. Please don't send me to hell after. But Since you guys went off with my yacht, the yacht's going down. Oh God. Now I'm just starting to feel bad. Now I'm starting to feel bad. Bro, everybody's dead. The music is still going. Hey, somebody's still. Yeah, I'm just gonna go shark hunting. How about that? I'm just gonna go kill these sharks.